We are here and we are strong. Let's be counted as we move on. Make a difference, change lives as we tell our different stories. We are capable, beautiful. We are born to do great things. We're unstoppable, incredible, 'cause we're differently abled, differently.
Sense International Kenya is a non-governmental organization that works to strengthen services for persons who are deafblind and those who also have complex disabilities. Now, deafblindness is a dual sensory disability where someone would have a visual and hearing impairment, and they also, in addition, usually have other disabilities.
And to help them, they need to be identified early, and we start them on an intervention quite early so that they will be able to learn most of the things that they are supposed to do on a daily basis, so that they can communicate, so that they can actually achieve something close to the potential a human being is supposed to achieve.
It's so helpful. We're really grateful about it. It has really helped us because I myself, I could not do whatever the Sense International is doing for me right now. I don't think ever I could have been able in a position to help myself. But so far, the facility has really helped, and I appreciate so much.
But the challenge is there are very few professionals who offer that service. And again, it's expensive, and parents don't have fare to come to these health centers to get therapy.
So basically, we are giving tablets today so that it's as a teaching aid for the parents to be able to learn what is being demonstrated and how best can be able to occupy this child. Because of the tablet, we have how they can be able to care for the child through a demonstration, how to be able to engage them. As you know, these are children who are having also delayed milestones, and it's through that learning that they are able to understand, so that they can actually move to nearer living a good life.
The video content has been developed together with the support of the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, because we wanted to ensure that we are meeting standards of developing a good curriculum and good video content.
These tablets they have been given have programs showing the kind of activities we give them when they come to the facilities. Now we have taught them to do these activities, and they are going to continue learning from the tablet, so that they can do these activities in their homes. And in addition to that, they will also be able to teach other children. For example, this is holiday time. The other children in the family will learn these activities, and the whole family will actually become experts in giving some of the services to the baby.
But then occasionally, occupational therapists can visit the parent and strengthen that support, or occasionally the parent can come to the health facility and get further instructions or support from the occupational therapist.
The parent is the first daktari of their children. So when I look at the content of what they have been given today, it will actually assist them at the home level. So they will be able to go through the video, they will be able to look at that and do the same to the children. So because what is most important is the continuity of the service provision. Because at the facility level, yes, the therapists at the facility will do a lot, but when the parent goes home, what do they go home with? Now this is going to assist them because they will be able to look at them, they will be able to exercise what they have seen from the videos and translate to the children, and thereby enhancing what has been done at the facility level. That again is very, very key.
One major challenge around these parents has been actually developing the video content, because early intervention is quite a new area, especially early intervention programs for children with multisensory impairments. So you find that it's been challenging to put together the videos. The second challenge has obviously been that there are so many other parents who actually are now getting interest, but we only have a limited number who are in the project. So what happens to those others who are out there and are very keen on having these videos and these tablets?
We want to, as a government, build capacity of other health workers who are outside the project area of Science International. So at the end of the day, we'll have a universal understanding of the whole gadget. And if it is possible, we will be actually linking up Science International with our county health management team so that we can also be sensitized. The team can also be sensitized on the use of these tablets, on the program, so that we can also see how can we as a county government also come in and develop the same for other areas that Science International is not working in.
Okay, changamoto ambayo nilikuwa nayo aswa I am a student, time pia na kucommute to the health center ndio shida yangu, but now I think hii itanisaidia vizuri, nitakuwa naiangalia vile inanipeleka vizuri.
Changamoto nilikuwa napitia before ni ile unapata inafanya niendelee huko mfano, lakini unapata tena kazi tena imetokea kibarua. Sasa unapata kujigawanisha inakuwa itilafu, sababu inabidi uende upande ya job, uende uwaso, ili usikwenda kuwaso ukienda huku utakosa hiyo kidogo. Unaona? Na bila hiyo dose unajua pia huwezi sana. Inabidi uende uwaso, lakini sasa unaona vile hii iko, vile hizo tablets ziko itakuwa ni easy. Unaweza fanya shughuli zako hata kila siku jioni ukirudi ndio anapata more teaching in.
We expect that our children will have better support. Parents will be able to know how to communicate with the children. They will know how to do some basic physiotherapy at home. They will know how to support their kids to acquire social skills. And that way then children will achieve their developmental milestones much faster. Children will increase their independence, and we eventually hope that these children can transit to schools.